Today we get to read out of Psalm 143 verse 10. Teach me to do your will, for you are my God. May your good spirit lead me on level ground. Here is your word for today. Well, teach me to do your will. You know, it's important for us to do the will of the Lord because His will is perfect. And we can ask Him to teach us. You know, many times we have the question of, what is your will for me, Lord? And He says in His word that He will teach us. We just need to ask Him. And we need to ask the Holy Spirit to show us and to lead us to what the will of the Lord is. It says there, teach me to do your will, for you are my God. We need to know who our God is so that we can do His will. And then it says, may your good spirit lead me on level ground. You know, the Holy Spirit will lead us and He will open up the road for us and He will make our road level so that we can walk with Him and we can be led by the Spirit. You know, today we get to walk in the perfect will of the Lord and we get to be led by the Holy Spirit.